Thank you for choosing the Rainbuster leak-free window installation system. This system offers high-performance products, proven procedures, and an industry-leading 30-year parts and labor warranty. It is designed to provide the best in leak prevention. This Rainbuster training video provides a real-world representation of the procedure.
In this step, we install the sill flashing. This step uses Rainbuster 420 25mm in 9-inch width. The flashing length is the recessed opening width plus 12 inches. Install the sill flashing flush with the sill of the recessed opening. Each end of the sill flashing should extend 6 inches beyond the jambs of the recessed opening. Fasten with staples or nails along top edge of flashing tight to the recessed opening, within 1 inch of the edge of the recessed opening. In this step, we install flexible flashing corners at the outside corners of the recessed sill. This step uses Rainbuster 425 outside A corners. Pre-cut outside A corners to recessed opening depth. Position flexible flashing corners firmly into recessed outside jamb sill corner. Install flexible flashing corners using nails or staples, ensuring secure attachment through vertical legs only. In this step, we install flexible flashing corners at the inside corners of the recessed sill. This step uses Rainbuster 425 inside B corners. Pre-cut inside B corners to recessed opening depth minus 1 inch. Position flexible flashing corners firmly into recessed inside jamb sill corner. Install flexible flashing corners using nails or staples, ensuring secure attachment through vertical legs only. In this step, we install flashing at the recessed sill corners. This step uses Rainbuster 415 40mm in 12-inch width. Flashing length is recessed opening depth plus 5 inches. Adhere membrane across recessed sill, over flexible flashing corners, and up recessed jamb, maintaining 2 inches of adhesion to recessed sill and jamb. Press membrane firmly into the inside corner, eliminating any voids or wrinkles between the membrane and the flexible flashing corners. Make relief cut at corner, allowing membrane to fold and adhere over sill and jamb. Using a J-roller, apply pressure while rolling entire surface of membrane to ensure adequate adhesion. In this step, we install flashing on the recessed sill. This step uses Rainbuster 415 40mm in 12-inch width. Flashing length is recessed opening width. Adhere membrane flush to the sill of the window rough opening, down wood blocking, across recessed sill, and over sill flashing. Press membrane firmly into wood blocking recessed sill corner, eliminating any voids or wrinkles. Using a J-roller, apply pressure while rolling entire surface of membrane to ensure adequate adhesion. In this step, we install the jamb flashing. This step uses Rainbuster 420 25mm in 12-inch width. Flashing length is recessed opening height plus 11 inches. Position jamb flashing into recessed opening. Make 2-inch vertical relief cut at top of jamb flashing to allow flashing to fold onto bottom of header at wood blocking recessed header jamb corner. Install jamb flashing flush with the jamb of the window rough opening. Jam flashing should extend 2 inches onto the recessed header and to within a 1/2 inch or flush with the bottom edge of the sill flashing. Fasten with staples or nails along edge of flashing tight to the rough opening, within 1 inch of the edge of the rough opening, and in upper corner to secure folded flashing to bottom of recessed header. Repeat the same procedure on the other side. In this step, we install the window. This step uses Rainbuster 450 sealant. Apply a 3/8 continuous bead of sealant to the back side of the entire window flange. Apply sealant in line with the pre-punched holes in the window flange. Install window per window manufacturer's installation specifications, ensuring window is securely fastened and plumb, level, and square. In this step, we apply an additional cap bead of sealant. This step uses Rainbuster 450 sealant. Apply a 1/2 inch to 5/8 inch cap bead of sealant to the edge of the entire window flange. Using a putty knife, flatten or butter cap bead and sealant squeeze out. Buttered sealant should extend 2 inches away from the window frame, approximately 1 inch beyond the outer edge of the window flange. In this step, we install the head flashing. This step uses Rainbuster 420, 25 mil and 12 inch width. Flashing length is rough opening width plus the width of the jam flashings plus 2 inches. Install head flashing over the window flange and flush with the top of the window at the top of the recessed opening. Each end of the head flashing should extend the width of the jam flashing plus 1 inch on each side of the recessed opening. Position head flashing into recessed opening and temporarily secure along top edge. Make vertical relief cuts at recessed jam to allow head flashing to fold into recessed opening. Embed head flashing into sealant at the head of the window. In this step, we seal the flashing seams at the recessed corners. This step uses Rainbuster 450 sealant. Apply a 1/2 inch to 5/8 inch cap bead of sealant at the recessed header jam and recessed sill jam corners. Using a putty knife, tool sealant into corners, ensuring flashing seams are sealed.
Thank you for your time. Please visit topindustrial.com if you would like more information. Now, let's briefly review this procedure.